Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find surveys on GoHighLevel. Now, surveys are a great way to understand your audience, and by integrating them on GoHighLevel, you'll be able to understand your audience better. Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way this actually works is that first you're going to log onto your GoHighLevel account, and then next you're going to click on Sites. And then from here, on the top hand side, you're going to see this tab or toggle button that says Surveys. So click on Surveys. Now, once you've done that, you'll see that you'll be able to add a survey, or you can edit any existing surveys. You could also organize your surveys by creating folders for them as well. So if I click on Add a Survey, you'll see that I can either start from scratch or start from a template. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain how to find surveys on GoHighLevel. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.